welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I am back again with another Building on Recipes cake creation. This time it is a cookie butter crunch cake. Chocolate cake layers filled with cookie butter crunch filling, cookie butter buttercream, and ganache drip. There is a bonus recipe today with these little cookie butter crunch balls as the garnish for the finished cake. But let me tell you, these babies can stand alone as a really fabulous little dessert option. Building on recipes is basically taking some recipes that we already have in our arsenal and combining them together to make hundreds of variations of flavor combinations. And today those flavors are my best recipe for chocolate cake. It's an easy one bowl mix for the best vegan chocolate cake you will ever try. And my easiest recipe for American style buttercream. And of course, easy vegan ganache to pour over top of this cake. All the recipe links are below the video as always, so just head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab them all in one neat printable page. Alright, so I've baked my chocolate cake, and as you see, I have a jar of cookie butter and a package of the same Biscoff cookies. My buttercream is made, and I'm adding half of the jar of cookie butter to that, and that's going to be for the icing. The cookies get chopped up to medium fine, but first be sure to take out about 8 nice cookies for the garnish for the top of the finished cake. Half of the chopped cookies go into a bowl with the remaining cookie butter from the jar, and this is going to be your crunchy filling. I'm also adding a bit of that cookie butter buttercream to it, so it's slightly more of a creamy filling. Then just build your cake as you normally would build a layer cake. It's a pretty simple assembly. The crunchy cookie butter filling goes in the center, the cookie butter buttercream to hold it all together. Give it a nice crumb coating and get that into the refrigerator, and then the ganache drip. That is the best part, isn't it? Well, you guys can garnish this cake as you like, but I am using more of those crunchy Biscoff cookies. They are so good, slightly cinnamony. Oh, this cake flavor combination is just so good. And oh yeah, I have to show you how I made these cookie butter crunch balls. I'm telling you, these little things are seriously amazing and could be a perfect dessert all by themselves. I basically took some cake scraps from another project, and it was a vanilla cake, but you can totally use the chocolate cake trimmings from this cake here today. I always save my cake scraps because you just never know what you can turn them into. So I added the cookie butter to that and the rest of those chopped up cookies. I mash it all up, kind of like making cake pops, and then just scoop them out, roll them into nicer shaped balls. You're going to first coat them in melted vegan dark chocolate and then plunge them into the white chocolate for this cool swirly effect. And that's about it. 2 desserts in one cake recipe. I guarantee you people are going to be asking for more cookie butter crunch balls after they finish their slice of cake. So you may want to make a lot more than just the garnish for this cake. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to thumb it up and also subscribe for more videos. And by the way, if you have a thing for cookie butter, I have a few more recipes using cookie butter on my blog, namely this Biscoff cookie butter cheesecake. It is awesome! Head over to gretchensveganbakery.com for the printable versions, and also I have way more information about just vegan baking in general there too, so you really do want to stop by. I do want to thank my awesome patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal, as always, for the continued support. You guys are just so generous to help keep me in the recipe sharing business. The cost to test and make these recipes is not cheap, and the pennies that I make here on YouTube, well, yeah, pennies. So if you think you can help for as little as $1 a month, click the links below to check out my Patreon page. And thanks so much to everyone for the support, for watching, sharing my videos, commenting, and liking. It all really keeps the channel relevant, so thank you, thank you. Alright everybody, until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.